Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So yeah, today's video might seem a little bit different because I finally found an editing app thanks to this other YouTuber. By the way, shout out to him. It's called InShot. So yeah, I might have to pause the video. Might have to for a second. Or whatever. Well, I got some new stuff in Build-A-Boat. Yep, I do play this. Oh wow, it's at max. So I'm on blue team and I have been working on this plane. And so far I think it looks good. Just wait for it to load. And it should look pretty good. Okay, then for me to get in, I have to scroll all the way down to the bottom so I can place a jetpack and fly into the plane. And I can just walk through those blocks because I have this editing tool here. It lets me do that. I've painted this and I also have the escape right here. That's what this is for. Also the entrance. I have 2 seats with the windows. I even have the main area, which I actually updated and made it have like more vision area. Also, what the heck is that? So yeah, I have that. I have a Spider-Man thing, which actually works. This is just like, cause why not, just in case. Those out. So now I'm going to have Spider-Man save. That's it. I have that over there. I have these blocks at the top. Protect. And I have to zoom out. And yeah, let's try it out. I have tested it before, but it didn't, I don't think, do that well. I'm gonna try to get to white using only Spider-Man, which is gonna be, or is it gonna prove to be really hard? There we go. Dang it, I can't do that, so I have to kind of reel myself over here, right at the top of that tree. Woohoo! Honestly, this one's more of just like a joke. I didn't mean anything like serious out of this. I only did this because I was bored and I got these golden harpoons. No, I did not buy them. So, I don't see the correct area to do it. But if I do find it eventually, I will show you guys. I'm not sure if any of you knew this, but I will show you. Yes, this makes my job a lot easier. Probably asking, like, what job? Well, I don't have one. So, joke's on you! Sorry if I'm being a little bit quiet, or at least quieter. But I don't really want to be too loud. There's no reason, I just don't want to be that loud. Harpoon! There we go. This one I thought would just be like really fun to do. And I was right. Oh, perfect shot. Gets me trapped there. Pull, pull, pull! Aye. Come on. Oh, come on. You're telling me I get it stuck right here? I don't know that person. Well, watch what happens if I reset. Dang it, last time I did that, Last time I reset, my body went flying. So yeah, that is that. And I still have this part of it, which if I launch, watch what happens if I launch. Dang it, doesn't work. I know this would make a noise. Oh well, let me just go die. So guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, blah 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 blah, and all of that stuff. While I die a miserable death. Yay! Wait, what the heck? My body didn't show up on one side. So yeah, you guys might notice that there is something different about my camera. Might. By the way, there's also this free wind machine I have, which actually lets me fly. It lets me actually fly. And with this butter block, if you put it in the right spot, while you're standing on it, it lets you literally become Sonic. So yeah, I got the white base easily, which for some reason has 3 people. Sheesh. Oh yeah, we also, oh dang, that hurt. We have this weirdo who cannot control that. Let me go look for more secrets. Come on. Get up, you sussy baka. Nothing in the corner. Ow. Is there anything on top of those moths? Nothing on top. Other than, I guess, their wings. So, yeah, I'll be right back. This one, there has to be a secret. I know it. I just don't know what that secret is. Shoot. Oh, that noise. I hate that noise. Gumball machine, there's some ketchup stuff there. Why is there just a red marker? Ah, shoot. Oh, shoot. Ah, it destroyed it. My arm's broken too. Like, you can see the animation. Like, breaks my arm. But my hand is somehow fine. What? What? That doesn't make sense. So anyways, guys, I don't know my username. I don't care if you friend me. Wait, shoot. There's my username. I don't care if you friend me. But yeah. So far I'm trying to grind to the wrench. And I'm just gonna go to the end really fast. This machine lets you do basically whatever you want. Go to other bases when you're on this base. When you're on your own base. It lets you literally, yeet yourself. After this, I'm gonna look up all the secrets. And I'll give a shout out to the person that showed me all the secrets. Because I'm too lazy to give them too much credit. So all they get is a shout out. It also goes up to my friend Mario Gold. Shout out to him as well. Mario Gold, shout out to him. Because I typed in the whole thing of Wellerman. But if he sees this video, which I don't think he watches my videos, but I do watch his. Mario Gold, if you do see this, then, yeah, I'm still waiting for the shout out. Yay, I got a wrench. So if Mario Gold does somehow see this, then I'm gonna make a smiley out of this. There, now I need to try out this binding tool. What the fuck? Let me leave and rejoin and see if that did anything. Yep, got a binding tool. I wonder what the binding tool does. What does it do? Like, I'm gonna place a block here and here. What's the binding tool do? If you know what the binding tool does, please tell me. Like, how does it work? I have an idea. So with this, what I wanted to do was connect this to here, look. So it's connected there and it won't move. But with the binding tool, I see, I like this. The binding tool is now my new favorite tool, like, oh my gosh. I actually like it. And I don't like many things. Yeah, it was so annoying having to, like, try to, yeah. Yeah, I don't think you understand and all, but it was so annoying when the things binded to the wrong stuff when I was building my plane. Massive voice cracks. So with the Spider-Man, what I was thinking was like... So what I was thinking is if I can find that stupid camera... Sorry to those parents who want me to be way too family friendly. But I'm not completely friendly family. There we go. Yeah, so the binding tool is actually very cool. So now I can actually do what I want. Oh, I'd like to save that. Load the better plane. Place myself a jetpack. Jetpacks. I honestly think I didn't do half bad on this. I think I did pretty good, don't you? Tell me in the comments if I did that good or not. So, yeah. I'm not even gonna have that. That I might as well leave. Let me find it, you'll see. You might already know what I want to do. Ay. Yeah, so that's what that does. Paint that dark. Where's the lever? Let me do the binding tool. That's not the binding tool. That is. So now, this binding tool is a lifesaver. Not legitimately. What are servos? Can I buy this? I'm gonna search up servos. Whatever. Well, now that those are binded to the door, I can actually enjoy this. Hey, that means actually everybody can. Look, let me replace it. Hey, let's go. Yeah. You wanna friend me? I don't care. Do what you want. But I guess that'll be it for the video. Please like, sub, hit the notification bell. I know I didn't do much for this video and all, but please just do it.